Ever feel like a hamster on a wheel, running endlessly but getting nowhere? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. The daily grind can make us feel like we're stuck in a never-ending loop, just like that hamster. But what if I told you there's a way out? Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. That's the 9-to-5 grind. You're not alone. Millions feel the same. The monotony of the daily routine can be soul-crushing. We wake up to the blaring sound of an alarm clock, drag ourselves out of bed and join the masses in the daily commute. The same faces, the same places, day in and day out. It's like our souls are slowly being eaten by paperwork, the endless stacks of documents, the never-ending emails, and the constant pressure to meet deadlines. It feels like we're drowning in a sea of tasks, with no end in sight. The stress and frustration build up, leaving us feeling drained and unfulfilled. Our brains, fried by fluorescent lights. The harsh artificial lighting in the office can take a toll on our mental and physical well-being. It saps our energy, leaving us feeling tired and sluggish. The constant glare can cause headaches and eye strain, making it even harder to focus on our work. And don't get me started on office coffee. That bitter, lukewarm sludge that barely passes as coffee. It's supposed to be a pick-me-up, but it often feels like a letdown. We rely on it to get through the day, but it never quite hits the mark. Let's be real, that sludge is why they invented espresso. A real cup of coffee made with care and precision can make all the difference. The rich aroma, the bold flavor, the perfect crema on top. It's a small pleasure that can brighten even the darkest of days. You deserve better than lukewarm coffee and a soul-crushing routine. You deserve to enjoy your mornings, to savor that first cup of coffee, and to feel excited about the day ahead. Life is too short to settle for anything less. Life is too short for a job you hate. It's time to take a step back and reevaluate what's truly important. What are your passions? What makes you feel alive? It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget about the things that bring us joy. You have passions, talents, and dreams. Whether it's painting, playing music, cooking, or something else entirely, you have unique gifts that deserve to be nurtured. Don't let the daily grind snuff out your creativity and passion. It's time to ditch the daily grind and turn your passion into profit. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you love. Whether it's starting your own business, freelancing, or finding a job that aligns with your passions, the possibilities are endless. Imagine waking up excited for work. No more dragging yourself out of bed, dreading the day ahead. Instead, you wake up with a sense of purpose and excitement, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. No more alarm clock blues. Imagine waking up naturally, without the jarring sound of an alarm. You start your day on your own terms, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. No more wishing your life away, one meeting at a time. Instead of counting down the hours until the end of the workday, you find fulfillment in every moment. You close your laptop with a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you're doing something meaningful. Let's talk about passion. What gets you fired up? What makes you forget to eat? Besides a good Netflix binge, of course, that's your passion calling. Maybe it's baking award-winning pies, crafting soulful pottery, or writing the next great American novel. Whatever it is, it's time to listen. Now, I'm not saying money isn't important, we all need to pay the bills, but imagine making money doing what you love. That's a game changer. When you're passionate, work doesn't feel like work. It's fun, it's fulfilling, and the money, it's the cherry on top of an already delicious sundae. Okay, so you've found your passion. Now how do you turn it into a paycheck? Here are a few ideas. Monetize your skills. Are you a coding whiz? A design guru? Freelance your skills online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. Sell your creations. Etsy, Shopify, your own website. The world is your oyster or online marketplace. Sell your handmade crafts, artwork, or even digital products. Teach what you know. Online courses, workshops, coaching. Share your expertise and get paid for it. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small, test different strategies, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 4. Side hustle to sole purpose. Taking the leap without breaking the bank. Quitting your job. Cold turkey can be scary. That's why side hustles are your best friend. They let you dip your toes into entrepreneurship without the financial freefall. Start small. Dedicate a few evenings a week or your weekends to your side hustle. As your income grows, you can gradually reduce your 9-to-5 hours. Remember, consistency is key. Treat your side hustle like a real business, even if it's just you and your laptop in your pajamas. Section 5. Budgeting for Bohemians Managing Money. when payday is a myth. In this chapter, we will explore the unique challenges and strategies for managing your finances when you don't have a traditional steady paycheck. Whether you're a freelancer, gig worker, or entrepreneur, the principles we discuss here will help you navigate the financial roller coaster that often comes with these career paths. One of the biggest adjustments when you ditch the 9-to-5 is the unpredictable income. No more steady paychecks. Instead, you might find yourself dealing with irregular payments that can make budgeting a real challenge. This lack of consistency can be stressful, but with the right approach, you can manage your money effectively. It's a roller coaster of feast or famine, especially in the beginning. Some months you might be flush with cash, while other months you could be scraping by. This financial volatility requires a different mindset and strategy compared to a regular salaried job. You need to be prepared for the highs and lows and plan accordingly. Here are a few tips to manage your moolah. First, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. This means knowing exactly how much money is coming in and going out each month. Without this knowledge, it's impossible to make informed decisions about your spending and saving. Track your income and expenses. Use tools like spreadsheets, apps, or even a simple notebook to keep a detailed record of every dollar you earn and spend. This will help you identify patterns in your income and expenses, making it easier to plan for the future. Know where your money is going. This might seem obvious, but many people are surprised when they see a detailed breakdown of their spending. By understanding your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. These tools can help you create a budget, track your spending, and even set financial goals. They can also provide insights into your spending habits and help you stay on track. Additionally, building an emergency fund is essential. This fund will act as a financial cushion during lean months when your income might be lower than usual. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This might seem like a lot, but having this safety net will give you peace of mind and financial stability. It will allow you to cover your essential expenses even when your income is unpredictable. This will be your safety net during lean months. Embrace frugality. Being frugal doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself of all pleasures. It simply means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices to prioritize your financial well-being. You don't need to live like a monk, but cutting back on unnecessary expenses will give you more financial breathing room. Look for ways to reduce your spending without sacrificing your quality of life. This could mean cooking at home more often, finding free or low-cost entertainment options, or shopping for deals and discounts. Remember, financial freedom is about more than just making money. It's about having control over your finances and making choices that align with your values and goals. By managing your money wisely, you can create a life that is both financially secure and fulfilling. It's about having control over your time and your life. When you manage your money well, you can reduce stress, increase your financial security, and enjoy more freedom to pursue your passions and spend time with the people you love. So take charge of your finances and create the life you want. Section 6. From cubicle dweller to craft beer brewer, a story of sudsy success. Let me tell you about my friend Mark. Mark was just like many of us, stuck in a job that didn't bring him joy. He worked in a corporate office, surrounded by the hum of computers and the clatter of keyboards. Every day felt like a repeat of the last, and he couldn't shake the feeling that he was meant for something more. Mark hated his corporate job. The endless meetings, the piles of paperwork, and the constant pressure to meet deadlines were taking a toll on him. He felt trapped in a cycle that seemed impossible to break. The stress was overwhelming, and he knew he needed a change. He dreamed of opening a craft brewery. It was a dream that had been brewing in his mind for years. He imagined creating unique beers, experimenting with flavors, and sharing his passion with others. The idea of turning his love for brewing into a career was both exciting and terrifying. He spent his evenings learning about brewing, experimenting with recipes in his kitchen. Mark's kitchen became his laboratory, filled with the aroma of hops and malt. He read books, watched videos, and joined online forums to learn everything he could about the art of brewing. Each batch he made brought him closer to his dream. He started selling his homebrew at local farmers markets. People loved it. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive, and it gave Mark the confidence he needed to take the next step. He realized that his passion for brewing could become a viable business. He saved every penny, eventually quitting his job to open his brewery. It wasn't easy. Mark faced numerous challenges. from securing funding to finding the right location. He had to navigate the complexities of permits and regulations, all while managing his finances carefully. Long hours, tight budgets, and a steep learning curve. Mark often found himself working late into the night, perfecting his recipes and ensuring the quality of his beer. The financial strain was significant, and there were moments when he doubted his decision, but his passion kept him going. But Mark will tell you it was the best decision he ever made. The satisfaction of seeing his brewery come to life, the joy of sharing his creations with others, and the sense of accomplishment made all the hardships worthwhile. He had turned his dream into reality. He's now living his dream, one delicious IPA at a time. Mark's story isn't unique. There are countless others who've ditched the 9-to-5 and found success doing what they love. The journey wasn't easy, but the rewards were immense. There are countless others who've ditched the 9-to-5 and found success doing what they love. From bakers to artists, from tech innovators to organic farmers, people everywhere are finding fulfillment in their passions. They are proof that with determination and hard work, dreams can come true. You could be one of them. If you have a dream, don't let fear hold you back. Take that leap of faith, put in the effort, and you might just find yourself living a life you love. Mark's story is a testament to the power of following your passion. So, what are you waiting for? Your story of success could be just around the corner. Section 7. The time is now. Embrace your passion. Ditch the 9-to-5 grind. So, what are you waiting for? Life is too short for what ifs and maybes. It's time to take action. Start small. Take that online course. Build that website. Sell that first product. Each step, no matter how small, is a step towards freedom. It won't be easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But I promise you, it will be worth it. The freedom, the fulfillment, the joy of doing what you love, that's priceless. Take the leap. You won't regret it.